Battle ropes exercise, also known as rope training, offers a variety of physical and fitness benefits. Here's a brief summary of the advantages of incorporating battle ropes into your workout routine. Cardiovascular fitness. Battle ropes provide an intense cardiovascular workout, increasing your heart rate and improving overall cardiovascular health. Full body workout. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the upper body, lower body, and core, leading to a comprehensive full-body workout. Muscle strength and endurance. Regular use of battle ropes can build strength and muscular endurance in the shoulders, arms, back, and legs. Calorie burn. Battle ropes are highly effective for burning calories, making them a valuable addition to weight loss or weight management programs. Improved core stability. Maintaining proper form while using battle ropes requires core engagement, which can lead to enhanced core stability and strength. Enhanced grip strength. Gripping and controlling the ropes challenges your hand and forearm muscles, contributing to improved grip strength. Joint health. Battle ropes are low impact, making them suitable for people with joint issues while still providing an intense workout. Functional fitness. Rope training simulates movements used in daily activities, making it a functional exercise that can improve your ability to perform everyday tasks. Mental toughness. The high-intensity nature of battle ropes can boost mental resilience and focus as you push through fatigue and intensity. Variety in workouts. Battle ropes offer versatility and can be incorporated into various workout routines, adding variety and preventing boredom. Time efficiency. You can get an effective workout in a short amount of time with battle ropes, making them suitable for busy schedules. Improved posture. Regular use of battle ropes can promote better posture by strengthening the muscles that support an upright stance. Enhanced metabolism. High-intensity exercises like battle ropes can elevate your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning even after your workout. Team and group workouts. Battle ropes can be used in group settings, promoting camaraderie and teamwork while exercising. To reap these benefits, it's crucial to use proper technique when performing battle ropes exercises to prevent injury. Additionally, you can adjust the intensity by varying the rope's size, weight, and the intensity of your movements. Whether you're a beginner or experienced fitness enthusiast, battle ropes can be a valuable addition to your fitness routine, offering a dynamic and effective way to achieve your fitness goals.